Hello, my name is Sudhanshu Jain and I am here to explain my project on placement cell API, the first skill test. As you can see, it's the placement cell and here I have did the coding part, the configurations and all. Database where I have defined the Mongoose, using Mongoose, I have defined the database. This is where I have created the .env file and this database will be stored in .env. Here is the atlas which I have defined here and you can see the atlas. Here it is connected. Yeah, you can see here it is active. You can see the status here and here it's currently running. As you can see when I run this, and I have also hosted this code on render. You can see the you can see that our service is currently live, and when we click here it will divert us to the page where it's currently working perfectly fine. So now I have already registered as Sudhanshu Krishnavan, so I can directly log in. It I have already registered, so I can log in directly. And here you can see that it's had been already, yeah. So here the database already has been saved, and you can see the student list Sudhanshu, and you can see the name of there. If you want to edit it, we can edit it using this click, and we can edit all the things. Let's say I want to update my React score to 95 and update it, so it will get updated. Students updated, the education has been seen, and it has been updated here. If we want to add interviews, similarly we can add interviews. Now when we download the report, it will be downloaded in a CSV file. After clicking this, and you can see the CSV file here. Yeah, you can see the CSV file which I have downloaded, and that's perfectly fine, working perfectly all good. And here is the index file where I have used all the to call all the functions from this home directory, and here is the JSON file which I've created. I have uploaded this file on GitHub. Here it is the GitHub file, and here is the MD file where I have written the functionality and the tools I have used, and here all the files. So that's it from my side, and thank you.